I'm Zilana Momini, your health and fitness host. With cold and flu season upon us, we spoke with health expert Dr. Oz to find out his top 3 tips on staying healthy this winter.
Be smart about who you're around. And in particular, sometimes instead of shaking hands, you want to do a little shoulder bump. Find some way of greeting people because you want to pay them respect without actually exchanging bodily fluids, which is what a handshake does.
All right, so here's what not to do. If you're feeling adventurous, try this. Hate to say it, but if someone you know has a cold, stay away. And when you have a cold, be considerate and let others know. Also, if you have kids or are frequently around children, encourage them to wash their hands often and practice the same hygiene as you hopefully do.
I personally like to take vitamins, vitamin C being the most valuable with vitamin D. Those two have independent functions, but they both help your immune system to fend off bad guys.
The jury is still out on whether or not vitamin C helps to ward off the common cold. But regardless of its cold-fighting ability, it acts as an antioxidant that the body uses to keep you healthy and strong. So load up. Now, the hype about vitamin D boosting your immune system is actually true, since it's crucial to your body's ability to fight infection. So check with your doctor to make sure you're not deficient and to find out what dose is right for you.
Top tips for cold season have to include sleep. Probably the #1 way you develop immune strength to be able to ward off the cold.
Okay, so we know our immune system is designed to protect us from colds, but when it's not functioning properly due to lack of sleep, it fails to do its job. Aim to get 8 hours of shut-eye. If you're somewhere around 7 hours, a recent study found that one last hour makes all the difference. Don't we all want to know who Dr. Oz turns to when he needs health advice?
The best advice I probably got from Lisa, which is to give your heart a reason to keep beating. The people with passion, with vision, who are going somewhere, they show up.
It's true. Research has shown that having a positive attitude and dedication helps you fight disease. So remember, try to avoid close contact with those who are sick, keep up with your vitamins, don't skimp on sleep, and stay positive. See you next time on Fit Sugar TV.